the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw the light, and it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day, and God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning was the second day. God said, "Let the waters of heaven be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear," and it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called He seas. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after its own kind, whose seed is in itself upon the earth." And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass and herb yielding seed after its kind, and the tree yielding fruit, whose seed was in itself after his kind. And God saw it, and it was good. And the evening and the morning was the third day. And God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years. And let them be for lights in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth," and it was so. God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. And God set them in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw it, and it was good. And the evening and the morning were the fourth day. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that has life, and fowl that may fly above the earth, and the firmament of heaven." And God created great whales, and every living moves, which the waters brought forth abundantly after their kind, and winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let the fowl multiply in the earth." And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth a living creature after his kind, cattle and creeping thing and beasts of the earth after his kind." And it was so. And God made the beasts of the earth after his kind, cattle and creeping, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "These are dinosaurs, ladies and gentlemen. These Tyrannosaurus Rex, Triceratops, pterodactyl, some kind of lizard thing, and a raptor." And God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over every living creature that moves upon the earth.